All right, so I wanted to demonstrate, the goal of this video rather, is to demonstrate how to do the group work in Ed 656 when you're doing your reading responses as a group, and then how does that all get funneled up to the group leader for the week in the 3x3s. So let's start here. So here we are on the group page, the home page really for our course, and let's assume for this that I'm in group A. I'm not, but I could be. And so if I scroll down here to where there are subgroups, I can see there's group A. And so group A, and now I'm going to go to the discussion and add a discussion topic. So we could call it week 3 discussion, or week 3 reading responses. Here is where we will post our discussion/responses for this week's reading. Tags. So I had suggested a couple of tags at 656, and I have to look to see, and I will look to see what tags I had said to put in there. So I said to use this tag. So even if you don't use any of the other ones, you must use this one so I could find it. And then the topic status should be open because you guys are going to be contributed to it, and you want to set it so that only people from group A could do it. Okay, so now that's there. And what the other member, so I assume the group leader will set this up, or the group leader for the week will set this up, and then the rest of you will then write the response in the way that I've specified, using the different colors, etc. And as I said in the instructions for that, you're better off doing that in a word processing document. For example, let me get one. So, for example, here, and all I do is, so I would write my response, I would color, using the red, green, and blue to talk about a clearly articulated insight, evidence from the readings, and specific implication of my insight for classroom practice, doing that as red, green, and blue. If I do it in the word processor, it's no problem getting the colors to work, and then I go back to Paste Commons. And when I post it, you'll see that the colors carry over, and then I hit reply. So there's my response. So the 5 of you that are the 5 of you in the group that aren't the group leader this week will do that. Actually, the group leader will do it too. So all 6 of you will do this. Then, and you'll do that by the end of the day, Thursday. Then, starting on Friday, the group leader will take that and synthesize that into the 3x3s, which will get posted to the same discussion using the specific tag that I mentioned earlier. Okay, so I think that you've seen how to navigate to the subgroup, how to create a discussion, how to reply to the discussion, how to prepare your annotated writing in a word processor and then paste it here. And then the next part will be the 3x3s, and I will do a separate screencast for that so that you have it. Okay, I hope that this was helpful, and as always, if you have questions, just shout, and I look forward to your work.